you have an unexpected bleeding patient and the attending verbally orders blood from the emergent blood bank fridge. So you're going to bring 4 patient labels with you and come over to the fridge. First things first, you're going to sign in, scan your badge, enter your password. We always take out, we never put in.
Enter the patient information.
I'm going to scan this barcode from the patient label.
Confirm the patient details.
Confirm the MR numbers match. Hit yes.
Remove the unit.
The blood fridge opens. I'm going to remove my unit. And I'm going to scan my unit.
Scan the unit number.
I'm going to scan this upper box here.
Inspect the unit.
Inspect my unit to make sure that it looks great. Is the unit suitable? Yes, it is.
Please wait a moment.
4 labels are going to print.
Did the label print okay?
And you're going to say yes.
Yes. Good.
Good.
Do you want another
At this point, you have 90 seconds to label all of your blood. You're going to label everything. 1 label goes on the back of your bag, as well as your patient label. Then you're going to label your units. And now you're going to label the order. If you wanted another pack of red cells at this point, you would say yes. If not, you would say no. And you always have the provider sign the order sheet.